The 11th of May 2024, Orlando, Florida. Officers responded to a hotel disturbance involving 2 intoxicated guests in a physical altercation. The incident resulted in 3 criminal charges, including a felony count of battery on a law enforcement officer.
2910 kids left his kids unattended, came back to the room. 2903 realized, he freaked out. We got called up here for a fist fight. When we got up here, they were arguing. They pushed each other back and forth. We got them to separate. I want them both gone. 2903, banging all up and down, smacking on elevators, doing all that. 2910, wouldn't listen when we said to get back in this room. I want them both off my property.
Cool. I would start with 2903 because he's very intoxicated. He's very belligerent and very physically violent.
Is he asleep right now? Is he awake? What's going on?
They're awake.
All awake?
His wife and him are arguing right now.
Hello.
How you doing, sir? Do me a favor, just look my partner over here.
What's going on, man?
Nothing.
Huh?
Nothing.
Okay.
My kids
Your kids
were
what?
lost.
Okay.
Why is there aggression and shit?
What do you mean aggression?
Like, why is all this?
Because you're trying to figure out what's going on.
My kids went missing,
Okay.
and I tried to find the last people that were with my children, which is my best friend down the hall.
Okay.
And his kids wouldn't say where the last place they saw my children.
Okay.
So I kind of lost my shit trying to understand where the my kids went.
Right.
Because they were with her kids the last time I saw them.
Okay.
So my kids are now here. We're all good.
Okay.
So can we just go to bed?
Okay. So, on behalf of the staff of the hotel, they don't want you here anymore.
I'm sorry?
They don't want you here anymore.
They don't want me here anymore.
Nope. So, whatever happened earlier, before we got here, they're just done with it, okay? So, I'm just letting you know what's going on.
All right, so we got to go at 11 o'clock at night.
Yes,
Then
sir.
can he go and can I stay here with my kids? Because
They told me everybody.
Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me, Josh?
Like, what the?
I'm right here, sir.
I lost my kids, bro.
Sir.
I lost my kids,
Sir.
bro.
Story with him?
Yeah, wait, you can't even make eye contact
Yes,
anymore?
sir. Hey.
Talk to you again, shut up.
We're not doing that, okay? Come on.
What are we gonna, where are we gonna, I don't want to go over there.
Why are you so aggressive with me?
Because you're making me leave. We have a cheer competition tomorrow morning.
Relax.
And now I gotta find another place to stay.
Relax.
Josh, stop.
No, we're gonna,
Stop.
don't approach me.
I'm not approaching.
Videos.
Okay.
Go, baby.
Stop.
We're gonna go somewhere else, honey.
Stop. Be quiet.
This is the stupidest shit I've ever heard in my life.
Stop. Calm yourself.
Calm.
No.
I lost my kids, and this turned into a you gotta go bullshit
Stop.
because you're a pussy.
Lower your voice.
Okay. Okay, just gotta go, okay? Okay.
Yeah, we're okay, bro.
Start backing up.
We're gonna pack our shit and we're gonna go. You wanna watch?
No.
You wanna watch?
Josh.
You fucking clown.
Josh.
Come on, sweet tits.
Can we have like 20 minutes or so?
That's fine. That's fine.
Just for us, no firearms, nothing like that you were.
What?
No good.
Firearms, nothing like that. Just for our
No.
safety.
No. I'm sorry. They're from fucking DC, like in like a place I've met them here from like, oh my gosh.
You gotta be kidding me.
I came around like 4 hours.
I lost my kids, bro. I was freaking out because I lost my kids.
Okay.
And I'm victim to this shit. Have you ever lost your kids before?
No, I haven't.
No. So you don't know how it feels. You don't know what it would think mentally.
I want to lose one.
But you're gonna kick me out of this hotel. Huh?
Man, pack your stuff. Pack your stuff. We're not gonna be here all day. Okay.
I'm sorry, but like, are we gonna be charged for like this whole entire stay?
So once we get downstairs, we'll figure everything out. Okay.
This is unbelievable.
Okay. Just pack your stuff, please.
I will.
Josh,
Thank you.
No, we have no choice. Here we go.
Yeah, can you just shut the up? I can't.
If you want to start helping,
Yeah.
just start.
I know, but like I'm sorry.
No, I
I have
got
really
you.
bad anxiety, and like I can't.
You don't need a watch.
It's okay.
No, you
I don't know what
don't.
else is in here.
I'm
I
sorry?
don't know what else is in here.
It's my children and myself.
I don't know.
Josh, stop, Josh. Can you just,
Him.
Josh, turn your back.
Fuck him and his
Josh,
cunt
stop.
full of
Josh,
shit.
please.
I hope I'm wasting a lot of Orlando PD's tax dollars.
I'm here.
This your bullshit, pussy boy,
Your daughter's calling your name.
pussy boy.
Oh, okay.
Here we go, pussy boy. You want to walk me out?
Go ahead,
You want to
man.
hold my hand?
Keep walking.
You want to hold my
Keep
hand?
walking.
You want to hold my hand, tight boy?
Come on, Dad.
What are you looking at? We're good.
What's that? If you want to keep building my anxiety, it's not gonna work.
Get
What's
behind me.
up? What's up?
Don't get behind me.
What's up?
What's up? I was born before you. Smarter than you. Don't look at me. Don't judge me. I lost my kids, dude. I lost my
Hey, man.
I lost my shit. I lost my shit.
Put your hands back. Put your hands back. I got this arm. Alright, this could have been easier. Could have been with your family. Instead, you want to act a fool? That's fine.
I'm not acting a fool. You were the one that's acting a fool. I'm okay. I'm not aggressive at all. That's that. I ain't aggressive at all. It's cute.
You see a body camera?
Doctors?
Yeah.
I probably won't underneath. No, that's right.
Cute.
Got it.
Thought you feel real tough now, sweetheart.
You roll one side. We could take him now.
Yo, stay your ass down. We'll tell you when to get up.
I'm sorry. I thought it was...
No, stay your ass down. Now you're gonna do what the tell you to do.
Here we go. Sitting down. Sitting down. Real pretty. As far as I remember, you pushed me first. We'll hold that up. Come.
You want that one? Or is that one good to go? Yeah. Okay. Can you hold that one for us? Thank you, sir. Yep. Oh, there's a double locked in now. Alright. You hold them right there, I'll just lock them.
You alright?
Good?
You good?
Yeah, you bleeding yet?
I'm alright.
Yeah, bro.
Okay.
Oh, because I lost my fucking kid. And here we are, the fucking power trip, fucking faggot.
lady now. Hello. All right, so you kind of.
Can I just talk?
Yeah, it's fine. It's fine.
Private property removal authority. A hotel constitutes private property under Florida law. Management holds the legal right to revoke a guest license to remain at any time and for any reason. Refusal to comply upon lawful request exposes a subject to trespass liability under Florida Statute section 810.0, 8 willful remaining on property without authorization from the owner or agent. First Amendment verbal speech under City of Houston versus Hill, 482 U.S. 4511987. The Supreme Court held that profanity and insults directed at law enforcement constitute protected speech under the First Amendment. An arrest predicated solely on verbal expression, however offensive or sustained, violates clearly established constitutional law. The threshold for criminal liability lies in conduct, not speech. Battery on a law enforcement officer. Florida Statute section 784.07. This statute elevates simple battery to a felony of the 3rd degree when the victim is a law enforcement officer engaged in the lawful performance of duties and the offender knew or had reason to know that status. Elements required: 1, intentional physical touch; 2, against the officer's will; 3, officer in lawful performance of duties; 4, offender's knowledge of officer status. Maximum sentence, 5 years imprisonment. USC of force. Graham vs. Connor, 490 U.S. 386-1989. The Supreme Court established 3 factors to evaluate the reasonableness of force. 1, severity of the crime at issue. 2, whether the subject poses an immediate threat. 3, whether the subject is actively resisting or evading arrest. Reasonableness is judged from the perspective of a reasonable officer on the scene, not with the benefit of 20/20 hindsight. All 3 factors were present at the moment force was applied in this incident.
Alright, so you kind of see what led to it, like, you know what I'm saying?
I understand.
Okay. So he's gonna be disorderly conduct, okay? Should be out of the way. Okay.
We're here to competition.
What time was the competition? Do you know his social by any chance? No. Does he have an ID?
He should on him.
On his person? Okay. Alright.
He does, or it's in his suitcase, I don't know.
You gonna bring his backpack? You gonna get his back?
He has his backpack on him?
Yeah. You wanna come get his backpack?
Oh, you want me to take it?
Yeah. We'll give it a back. What's up? We'll give it a back.
Oh, okay. Yeah, no worries.
Do you need his phone number? Or?
No. He's gonna call you.
I'm like, I don't know his social or anything.
Okay.
Sorry. Ooh. Sorry.
Good. Appreciate it.
Hi, ma'am.
Charges applied: section 784.03, battery misdemeanor, intentional unconsented physical touch against the prior guest. Section 877.03, disorderly conduct, conduct constituting a breach of the peace affecting others in a shared public space, hotel common areas, qualify. Section 7, 184.07, battery on law enforcement officer, felony, 3, physical contact with an officer during lawful performance of duties. Section 8, 156.011, disorderly intoxication, endangering others or causing disturbance in a public place. Custodial arrest authority under Atwater vs. City of Lago Vista, 532 U.S. 3182001. The Fourth Amendment permits custodial arrest for misdemeanor offenses where probable cause exists, no additional justification required. Battery on a law enforcement officer is a felony. The constitutional basis for arrest here is unambiguous. Intoxication, not a legal defense. Florida does not recognize voluntary intoxication as a defense to battery under section 784.03 or section 784.07. Emotional distress, however, genuine, does not constitute a legal justification for physical contact with an officer in the lawful performance of duties. Verbal conduct constitutionally protected. Physical conduct felony. Lessons learned 1. Private property removal is a lawful directive. Non-compliance triggers independent criminal liability. 2. Profanity and verbal hostility toward officers are constitutionally protected. Physical contact is not. 3. Intoxication does not reduce criminal liability. It eliminates judgment while preserving consequence. 4. Once probable cause for battery on LEO is established, custodial arrest is constitutionally unassailable regardless of surrounding circumstances. 5. De-escalation by officers at the earliest emotional trigger point remains the most effective legal and tactical instrument available.